Every day, thousands of ships pass through one narrow stretch of water between Malaysia and Indonesia. Oil, food, electronics, manufacturing, energy. One of the most important trade routes on Earth. And most people have never heard of it. Nearly a third of global trade passes through this corridor, including massive amounts of oil flowing into Asia. For China, Japan, and South Korea, this route helps power modern civilization. At its narrowest point, the Strait of Malacca is only about 1.7 miles wide. That means one blockage, one accident, or one major conflict could disrupt global trade almost instantly. A huge percentage of China's imported oil and liquefied natural gas passes through this single route. Without it, energy becomes slower, more expensive, and harder to secure. Chinese strategists have worried about this vulnerability for years, because if this route were ever blocked, China's economy could face enormous pressure. Some analysts call it the Malacca dilemma. There are alternative routes, but they're longer, more expensive, and far less efficient. Modern supply chains depend on speed, and geography still matters. Near the southern edge of the strait sits Singapore, one of the most strategically important ports on Earth. A tiny country positioned directly beside one of civilization's most critical arteries. Most people never think about shipping lanes, but the global economy depends on physical systems underneath everything. Invisible routes, energy corridors, industrial choke points. And when one of them breaks, the entire world feels it. Because modern civilization doesn't just run on technology, it runs on geography. Follow future systems for the hidden infrastructure shaping the global economy.